Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Bro. Wait, did your ad account just get banned again? You followed the rules, you used different emails, cleared your cookies, even switched devices, but somehow they still catch you. Here's the plot twist, it's not you, it's your browser. That innocent looking Chrome tab might be giving you away. But don't worry, because there's a way to outsmart the system. In this video, I am revealing Ads.Power, an anti-detect browser that lets you run dozens of accounts on one computer. So if you are tired of getting banned, blocked or flagged, Ads.Power could be a secret tool you need to stay safe and keep growing. So what exactly is Ads.Power? It's not just another browser, it's privacy-focused anti-detect browser designed to create completely isolated profiles, each with a unique digital fingerprint. That means every time you open a new profile, websites see it as a brand new users with different cookies, time zones, devices and more. This gives you freedom to run multiple accounts without them clashing or getting flagged. It's perfect for affiliate marketers looking to scale e-commerce sellers, targeting various regions, or media buyers managing multiple ad accounts. Now let's talk about how it works. Once you are logged into Ads.Power, the dashboard gives you access to all your browser profiles. You can create new profile, assign different browsers, tweak user agent details, time zones and even languages. It also lets you set up proxies to make each profile appear from a unique IP. There are ready-made templates for platforms like Facebook, Amazon, PayPal, making it super easy to get started. Everything is customizable from your operating system to WebRTC setting, so you can fine-tune every identity. One of my favorite features is the synchronizer. This lets you control multiple browser profiles at once and perform action in sync. Great for team or batch tasks. Then there's the automation section powered by RPA. You can automate repetitive tasks like browsing, login or upload product using the pre-built templates. There's even a marketplace filled with workflows for platforms like TikTok, Amazon and more. And if you are a developer or need more controls, Ads.Power also offers an API so you can integrate it with your own tools and system. Now let's talk about pricing. Ads is super flexible. You only pay for what you use, browser profile, team members or features. There's even a free plan to get started and trials available if you want to test advanced options. No forced subscriptions or rigid price tiers, plus they often offer discounts, so be sure to check the link in the description. In short, if managing multiple online identities feels like a consistent headache, so Ads.Power is your game changer. It keeps you safe, scales your workflows and automates the boring stuff. Whether you are solo or running a team, it's designed to help you grow without limits and without getting banned. So sounds amazing, right? So link is available in the video description. And that's it for today's video. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.